Okay, so I just made a brand new drink. It's a cherry cola made with very simple things, totally clean. It's really good. I literally came up with it after that short that I recently did, basically calling out Bobby Parrish for not saying how much the Fresh Fizz Date Cola that he tested. They have a cherry one as well. They go for around $17 for a 4-pack. I thought that was way too expensive. I wanted to see what I could do, see if I could make a clean version. I want to show you what it is. It's really good. All right, here we go. I'm actually going to start with some ice. I'm going to grab that. All right, so we have ice here, as much or as little as you like. We have just organic coconut sugar from Trader Joe's. I'm doing less than a teaspoon. Of course, you can do more, you can do less, whatever works. And then just add a little bit of the seltzer water, just plain seltzer right to it, and you'll see it fizz up. Perfect. And then mix. Just for a good 10 and 20 seconds, just to make sure it like totally dissolves in there. Or as much as you can make it dissolve. All right, that looks great. Then I think I have 11 cherries here, just taking off the stems real quick. And then what I want to do, and this actually might make a mess, put 3 cherries in and put it close. If you have one of these like lemon squeezers, put it close to your cup. You can even take like a paper towel and go like this, because when I did it before, it went everywhere. And then just squeeze it in. And also try to get cherries that are pretty ripe, because then you'll get a nice color and a lot of juice out of them. And of course you can do more than 11 cherries or less depending on what you like. That's actually a lot of juice from the first 3. Honestly, I'm doing this because I just thought of these expensive sodas that really annoyed me, the price of $17 for a 4-pack. And I was like, maybe I could recreate something like that for the summer. And this really wasn't something I was really thinking about. I just, in one moment, I'm like, wait, I could probably make that. I figured I'd try, and then I tasted it and I'm like, ooh, this is good. So I'm gonna make a video on it. Didn't want to make a video on something that I'm like, ew, it's gross. That's why I had to try it out first. Put all that juice in. This is up to you. I didn't do this before, but I'm gonna actually take the remaining cherry bits. I'm actually gonna put it in, maybe not all of them, but at least 2 of them. Get as much juice in there as I can. And that's literally all the work here, by the way. After that, we're gonna take the coconut seltzer concoction that we made before and just put it right in there. And then the rest of the seltzer, I'm just taking more, adding it in, it'll fizz up. My handy dandy straw here just to mix it. Now for the taste. Oh my God, you guys, this is so good. It's just cherries. It's like fresh cherries, a tiny bit of sweetness, and it's just cherry soda. It's cherry soda. It's so good. You gotta try this.